Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to visualize Venn diagram of various operations on sets using GeoGebra, which is in the syllabus of class 11 CBSE chapter sets. Let us first begin with the mind map of the contents which we are going to discuss in this video. As you can see here, the mind map displays definition of Venn diagram as well as the operations of sets such as union, intersection, difference and complement, whose Venn diagrams we are going to visualize in this video. So let us first begin with the definition of Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a diagram which illustrates the relationship between and among sets. Venn diagram consists of a rectangle which represents the universal set and circles which represents the subsets of a universal set. In the next picture you can see the Venn diagrams of operations, union, intersection and complement. As you can see, the Venn diagram here consists of a rectangle which represents universal set and circles which represents its subsets A and B. Before going to Venn diagram, let us recall the definition of union, intersection, complement. Union of two sets A and B is nothing but a set of elements that belongs to either to A or to B or to both. So Venn diagram of union of two sets A and B will be the shaded portion which you can see in the picture, shaded by green color. Now going to intersection. Intersection of two sets A and B is a set of elements that belongs to both A and B. Therefore its Venn diagram will be the shaded portion as you can see in the picture. Going to complement. Complement of any set A is the set of elements that doesn't belong to A. Means the Venn diagram will be the shaded portion outside the set A. Second picture shows the Venn diagram of difference of two sets A and B, which is denoted by A minus B. As we know that difference of two sets A and B is a set of elements that belongs to A but not to B. So Venn diagram will be the shaded portion which is not common to A and B but only to A. Now as you can see, I've opened the page of GeoGebra. So as I said earlier, the rectangular portion out here represents the universal set and the two circles represent its subset A and B. Here the circle to the left represents set A and the circle to the right represents the set B. So when I click on the option A here, I get a shaded portion which sets the circle to the left which represents the set A. So the Venn diagram representing the set A will be like this. Now when I click on the option B, I get a shaded portion which sets the circle to the right which represents the set B. So this is the Venn diagram representing the set B. Now let us move to A dash. What is A dash? A dash is the complement of a set A. A complement is the set of elements which does not include the elements of a set A. So when I click on A dash, I must get a shaded portion which excludes the circle representing the set A. So let us click. As you can see, I get a shaded portion which is excluding the circle representing the set A. This is the Venn diagram which represents the complement of a set A dash. Now let us go to the option B dash. As I said, B dash represents the complement of a set B which includes no elements of set B. So when I click on B dash, I must get shaded portion which excludes the circle representing the set B. So when I click on B dash, as you can see, I'm getting a shaded portion which is excluding the circle representing the set B. The shaded portion is purple in color. This is the Venn diagram representing the complement of a set B, that is B dash. Now let us move to A union B. A union B, that is union of two sets A and B, is the set which contains elements of either A or B or both. So we will get, as you can see, the shaded portion which sets both the circle representing A and B. Now let us move to intersection of two sets A and B, that is A intersection B. Since intersection of two sets A and B is the set of elements which is common to both A and B. So when I click on it, as you can see, I get a shaded portion which sets the region where the two circles representing the sets A and B is overlapping. So this shaded portion out here represents all the elements which are common to set A and B. So it represents intersection of set A and B. Now let us move to complement of A union B, that is A union B dash. Since A union B dash is the set of elements which is not in A union B, so I must get the shaded portion which excludes the circle A and B. So when I click on A union B dash, as you can see, I get a shaded portion shaded in green color which is excluding the circle representing set A and B. So this is the Venn diagram of A union B dash, that is A union B complement. Now let us move to A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement is a set which does not contain any elements of A intersection B. So when I click on this, as you can see, I get a shaded portion shaded red in color which excludes the region where the two circles representing set A and B are overlapping. That is, it is excluding A intersection B. So this is the Venn diagram of A intersection B dash, that is A intersection B complement. Now let us move to A minus B. A minus B is the difference of the sets A and B. It is the set of elements which is only in A but not in B. So when I click on A minus B, as you can see, I'm getting a region shaded in black color which is the region which contains only elements of a set A. So this is the Venn diagram representing A minus B, that is difference of the set A and B. Now let us move to option B minus A. B minus A, that is difference of the set B and A, is the set of elements which is only in B but not in A. So when I click on B minus A, as you can see, I get a shaded portion which is excluding the region which is common to set A and B as well as set A. So this is the Venn diagram representing the difference of the set B and A, that is B minus A. Thank you. presented by Khushbu Katwal.